Today I will show you how to connect the Deye inverter and our BSL battery. Open the Deye inverter bottom cover. First, connect power cable of the inverter and battery. Connect the positive terminal of the battery and inverter. Connect the negative terminal of the battery and inverter. Connect the live wire of the power grid to the L port of grid. The neutral line of the power grid is connected to the N port of grid. Connect the load live wire to the L port of load. The load neutral line is connected to the N port of load. Next, connect the CT. Pick up the live wire of the power grid and buckle the CT in, with the arrow of the CT facing the power grid. Then thread the CT wire into COM1. Plug the white wire into interface 5, the black wire into interface 6. Next, connect the communication cable between the inverter and battery. One end connected to the battery CAN port. At the inverter end, pass through the COM2 port of the inverter and connect to the CAN port. Next, connect the battery to the host computer, connect the RS-232 USB end to the computer, and connect the RJ45 end to the RS-232 port of the battery. Switch the DIP to 1. Install the bottom cover and lock it tightly. Install Deye Wi-Fi module. Open the host computer software. Enter the password at user to gain permission. Open serial and start monitor. Click System Setting and click Read in Inverter Protocol Setting. Select CAN protocol as pylon, then click Write. After writing, you can click Read to check whether the writing is successful. Now the CAN protocol is selected as pylon and the writing is successful. Turn on the battery charge-discharge switch. Turn on the inverter switch. Turn on the grid switch. At this point, the grid has been connected to the inverter. Now set up the inverter. Set battery mode to lithium battery. Set the lithium mode to 0, and the BSLBATT battery will be prompted on the right. Press the Confirm button. Next, set the charge and discharge mode. In the system work mode, set up the schedule on the next page. Open time of use. If you need to use the power grid for charging, check grid charge on the left. And within the time range, set the SOC that the battery needs to be charged. And then confirm. Back to home page. Wait for the battery to enter charge mode. Now the battery is charging. If you want to discharge the battery, grid charge needs to be turned off on the schedule. And reduce the number to the percentage of SOC required for discharge. And then confirm. Return to home page. Wait for the battery to enter discharge mode. Now the battery is starting to discharge. The process of connecting the Deye inverter and our BSLBATT battery is complete. For more videos, you can follow our channel. Welcome to watch.